I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, first you got to turn your ignition on 2 clicks to the on position. Then your trip button, you got to press it until you get odometer reading. Okay, now you got to turn the ignition off. Now you got to press the button down, hold it, turn the ignition on 2 clicks. Okay, you're good to go. So that's how you reset the oil maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.